stand up Tim. We have Tim. Straight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica, we have Alton. Straight out of Ocho Jamaica. Straight out of Exchange, Jamaica, we have Jerry on top. Straight out of Pogo, we have Dima. Straight out of St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, Ricardo. Now from Spanish Town, Jamaica, Nitro. Big applause for all the guys. We have our resident DJ. Big applause for DJs. Come on. And remember, you can always check him out for your reggae CDs. He's got on the sale CDs, alright? Check him out, alright, for your CDs. We have, of course, let me see, we have, how can I forget? We have our show's choreographer. She's somewhere in the audience feeling for ladies tonight. Big applause for Lady Rochelle. Straight out of Football, Jamaica. Rochelle. Where's Rochelle? She's either at the bar or the toilet. Which is it? The bar? The bar? Where? Toilet? Oh, on it. Oh, sorry. And now, as I said earlier, our #1 entertainment team anywhere in the world, and tonight and tomorrow, we'll justify that. We have our team leader, straight out of, no, fix it just. No, straight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica. Big applause for, come on, Kingston, come on, Kingston. Everyone know Kingston. Straight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica. Big applause for the lady, Nikki. Alright, I know you're all wondering who played the role of Michael Jackson. Well, as you can see, it's a tribute. You played John Travolta, and you played Madonna. Right? Don't forget that. Now we have our Michael Jackson impersonator coming to you all the way from the dance company in Montego Bay, Harmony Dance. Big applause for Alvinus Michael Jackson. Now, remember we have our band right there. They play again until 11 o'clock tonight. Live music. Hey, play some Vybz Kartel. Right? Tomorrow night will be our beach party, meaning no show here on stage. You are all invited to beach our all white clothes beach party. So tomorrow night you only wear white clothes for the beach party. Tonight, this is open right here with DJs Stomach, and he goes on until 2 a.m. for all the late partiers.